Hello, in this video we will see how we can create a free logo for Shopify or Squarespace website. So to create that, you can search pioneerstrikes.com/canva, or you can click on the link that I have provided in the description. So you can go to that. It's a free tool. Here we can click on see prices. So here you can see it's a free tool. You can use it for free, and if you want to get a premium version, then you have lots of more template. So you can just click on get started on the free version, and I have already account, so I can log in. And here we will have to click on create a design, and we will type logo. We will select this. So here you can see templates. You can use any template that you want, or you can also add new elements from here, but we can just use a template for this video. So for example, we can use this logo, and we can change this text something like this, and here we can add any tagline, and now we can download it. Here we have different options, and we can download it. For social media handles, you can use this same logo, and for website I recommend you to crop it. So these white blanks from top and the bottom, you can remove them by cropping. So we can open this image, and we will click on edit, and here we can crop it because I don't want extra white spaces on my website. We can close it. So that's how you can design and add a logo in your Shopify or Squarespace website. That's it for the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment so my video will be reached to more viewers like you. This will help YouTube recommend my channel to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.